Hello, my name is Sulaiman bin Nazif. I'm from DKM family, and my matrix number is 07 DKM 20F1048. Okay, that's my matrix number. Okay, I'll be presenting about the heat saving installment in steam power plant. Okay, we'll look to the table of content first. Okay, there is for okay, something. The first one is economizer, then the second one is air preheater, then the third is use of soot blower, and the fourth is use of steam trap. Okay, I'll be explaining the first one, the economizer. The definition of economizer is a mechanical device called as economizer in order to spend less energy. Economizer is a device that serves as a heat exchanger. This means that this device change the heat to something that could be used, something like kinetic energy or something like, but mostly it changes to it transfer the heat, so to make sure the boiler is still warm or hot, not warm, basically hot, to maintain the temperature is not going down. If I'll be explaining about working principle, it's easy. The working principle is that exit from steam boiler furnace certain a lot of heat. Okay, this means it's to this boiler or this economizer, it makes sure the heat is sustainable. While for the importance of economizer is economizer are frequently used in steam power plant to transfer the surface heat from boiler stack gases, the flue gas, to the boiler's feed water to make sure. This means that to make sure the feed water boiler is still heat or still at the highest temperature, something like that, to maintain the temperature. Okay, type of economizer. The first one is non-condensation or non-condensing economizer will typically increase overall efficiency. While for the second one is a condensing economizer. Condensing economizer come in two variants: direct contact and heat exchangers. They are able to capture a lot of more heat, increasing the boiler overall efficiency. Okay, both of this is to make sure the efficiency of boiler heat is very efficient, so there is no a lot of consume energy. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Roy Daniel Mandus. My cut metric is 07 DKM 20F1025. Now, I will start the next presentation with the air preheater. Function of air preheater is air preheater is one of the most important accessory in modern boiler. Air preheater is commonly found in all modern boiler to increase the efficiency of boiler's accessory like air preheater is used in a boiler. The main function of the air preheater is to preheat the air, which means the temperature of the input air is increased. Other accessory like economizer and superheater is a boiler do a similar function. This preheating process of air is done before it enter the furnace. The air preheating process is done with the help of hot fuel gas. Air preheater is an intermediate accessory. It is located in the final stage of boiler to increase the efficiency of the boiler. An air preheater is installed between the economizer and the chimney in every modern boiler, and air preheater is commonly installed in the same location. Next is construction and working of air preheater. Number one, air preheater is installed between the economizer and chimney. Number two is it consists of large number of tubes which are arranged in the part of fuel gas shell as shown in figure. Number three, hot fuel gas enter the tube from the top of the shell and leave from the bottom of the chimney. Number four, the inlet air at room temperature is admitted into the shell at the lower end with the help of the fan. Number five, the air press upward around the tube in the opposite direction to the flow of the hot fuel gas. Number six is buffer are provided inside the air preheater. This increase the total path length of the air and thus increase the heat transfer. Number seven, the preheater The heater air leaves at the upper end of the tube bank absorbing heat from the hot fuel gas. But at the stun hopper provide at the bottom is used to collect stud during the cleaning operation of the tube. This is the advantage and disadvantage of air preheater. The advantage of air preheater is preheater air increase combustion rate and then increase steam generator rate of boiler. The second one is due to higher temperature of air furnace temperature of air furnace temperature increase, so low grade coal can be buffed efficiently. The disadvantage is there are formation of clicker on the grate due to higher combustion temperature, and natural dock is not possible with an air preheater because of temperature of the gases is reduced. Also, pressure drop take place in the flow of fuel gas, thus force drop in required. Next is the type of air preheater. The air preheater are classified into two types based on the features and construction. These two types of air preheater are called recuperative or tubular type air preheater, and the second one is regenerative or rotational type air preheater. Recuperative or tubular type preheater is further classified into two types. They are called horizontal tubular type and vertical tubular type. Regenerative or rotational type air preheater is also classified into two types. They are called rotating basket, or also they call Lungstorm, and rotating hood, also they call Rotterdam. Rotterdam. So next, I will pass to my friend for the next presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Lutfil Hadi bin Ahmad Azmi. My matrix number is 07DKM20F1054. Soot blower. Soot blower blasts air, steam or water or combination to remove soot and ash from the interior walls of the boiler heating surfaces. Because soot inside a furnace or other burning equipment reduces efficiency and also a fire hazard. First, a coating of soot inside the equipment acts like an insulator to reduce heat exchange, and thus more energy is needed to achieve optimum temperature. Second, excessive soot can catch fire, causing risk or damage to the equipment, surrounding area and people. Next, soot blower can minimize the risk of a soot fire. A fire can cause hotspot to appear in the furnace tubes, which can reach a temperature to weaken the structural integrity of the tubes. The dangers and potential damage of a weakened furnace structure are extreme. Lastly, with any reciprocating and rotating equipment, effective sealing of the soot blower is important because any combustion gases and particulate escaping from the boiler can create occupational and safety hazard. This is where the utilization of an effective mechanical packing arrangement can reduce maintenance and ensure a safe operation. Benefits of soot blower: first, increase plant availability. Second, improve boiler and fire heater efficiency. Third is control deposit build-up. Fourth is reduce CO2 emission. Fifth, steam saving. Next, optimize combustion process, increase energy recovery effectiveness, and lastly, flexible operation for changing fuel mixture and varying fuel quality.
My name is Rabiatul Nabila. I would talk about steam trap. A steam trap is a valve that detects the difference between steam and condensate in the line and drains the condensate. Steam traps only allow condensate and gases to drain while trapping steam to provide heat and power. Too much condensate causes pressure to build up inside the pipeline, resulting in hammering, blown seals, work stoppage, and so on. A properly working steam trap removes condensate and non-condensable gases while retaining live steam. There are three types of steam trap. Firstly, mechanical steam traps. Mechanical steam traps rely on the density difference between steam and condensate to function. They can pass large volumes of condensate continuously and are suitable for a wide range of process applications. Ball float and inverted bug steam traps are two examples. Secondly, are thermodynamic steam traps. Thermodynamic are durable and have a straightforward operation. It is used in application where flash steam must pass through the trap. Water hammering and vibration have no effect on thermodynamic in traps, which are used for high pressure and superheated steam. These traps tend to discharge a large amount of air on startup if the inlet pressure gradually builds up, and will not work positively at very low differential pressures because the velocity of flow across the underside of the disc infusions of lower pressure to occur. And last but not least is venture steam traps. Venture steam traps remove condensate from the steam system continuously. It allows any condensate that forms in the steam line to enter the condensate return system. The trap's operation is based on the density difference between water and steam. It is intended to handle varying loads of steam before self-regulating the capacity via the nozzle.